Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to see how to install PHP in your Windows operating system and how to run any PHP code there. Okay. So further any late before I start this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for never miss any update. So let's start it. So first of all you need to open your favorite browser and search for PHP, and as you can see you need to visit the first link which is appear here, which is from www.php.net. Just visit the link, and once you click on it, it will show you this kind of web page where, as you can see, PHP is a popular general purpose scripting language that is especially suited to web development. Okay, so for download this, you can click here this download, or you can go for this which is top of the website. So I just click on this download which is top of the website, and once you click on it, it will show you the current and old stable PHP version. Okay, and at the time making this video, the current stable version is 8.1.8, which is the latest one. So for download this version, you need to click on this option which is Windows Downloads. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it will show you this page where, as you can see, there are two options to download this: non-thread safe, and another one is thread safe. So non-thread safe is risk for your system because it has some of damage issue or some of error issue, or it's maybe some of virus issue. So that's why you need to download the thread safe, not to download the non-thread safe. Okay, so for download the PHP latest one, you need to go to the thread safe and click on this option which is zip. Okay, and as you can see, it's start our download, and our download is complete. So once our download is complete, just open the folder, and as you can see, here is our PHP 8.1.8 zip file. So first you need to extract this file. Okay, so for doing this, just right click on it and choose here extract file. Then I create here a new folder and I extract all of the zip document here, and I click on the OK, and as you can see, it will unzip our all of the PHP files. So for properly understand the folder, what you need to do, you need to rename the folder name. Okay, then simply just copy the folder and go to your local disk C and simply paste it here. And as you can see, here is our PHP 8.1.8 folder. So now what you need to do, you need to open the folder, and from here you need to copy the full path of our PHP 8.1.8 folder. Okay, then you need to go to the search option and search their environment and click here this option which is edit the system environment variables, and once you click on it, it will show you the system properties. From here, just go to the environment variables, and after that you need to go to the system variables and find here path and choose here edit, and then it will show you the edit environment variable page. So now you need to click on the new to create a new environment variable path and simply paste our path which we are already copy. Okay. Then you need to click on the OK and again click on OK and again also. So we are correctly set our environment variable path. So for verified the installation of PHP, what you need to do, you need to go to the search option and search there CMD and simply open the command prompt. And once our command prompt is open, just simply write here this command, which is PHP space double hyphen version and press enter. And as you can see, it successfully show our currently installation version. So that means our PHP 8.1.8 is successfully installed in our system. Okay. So for write here any PHP code, what you need to do, you need to close the command prompt and create here a new folder. I just name it PHP. You can give here whatever you can want and open the folder and simply create here a new text document. Okay. Then just simply rename the text document. You can give here whatever you can want and make sure that the file name extension is PHP as like me. Otherwise we cannot run here or any PHP code. Okay. And press enter to save and click on yes. So if you don't know how to show the extension of any file, don't worry about it. For doing this, you need to go to the view and make sure that the file name extension is tick mark. Okay. So after that, you can see your file name extension and you can also change your file name extension. Okay. So once you create your PHP file, what you need to do, you need to right click on it and go to the open with and choose here another app and simply choose here the notepad and click on OK. Now it will open our PHP file in the notepad. Now what you need to do, you need to simply write here any PHP code which you want to execute. I just simply write here a hello world code. So this is the PHP hello world code. So once you write this, so now simply just save the file and then you need to click here and clear all the path and simply write here CMD and hit enter. And as you can see, it will open our command prompt in this folder. Okay. So for run this file, you need to write here this command PHP and space and your file name with extension and hit enter. And as you can see, it successfully run our PHP code, which is hello world. And if you change the code and again run it, and as you can see, it will also change our output. Okay. So I hopefully guys you properly understand how you can install the PHP latest version in your Windows operating system and how you can write here any PHP code and run it. So don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for never miss any update. And I will see you guys in this next video inshallah. Thank you so much.